guys, today we're back on dangerous truck driving, making another video. So, go over here, spawn our truck, same thing like last time. Oh wait, this is very dangerous. Totally not gonna go fast on it. Hee. Oh, I really don't have. Okay, why is there smoke coming out of the flag? Alright, now let's try again. Like, who would even fall on this? They'll only fall if they're going fast. Oh. I guess I went too fast. Alright, time to actually try. Yep. Trying alright. Come on! Hee. No, I just got them stuck. Thank you for despawning, truck. Okay. So now we are actually trying to get across. Alright, buddy. I was bringing it along with me. I was wondering, what was that? Oh, come on! Yes, get me. Hit me, please. Hit me. Yo, thank you. Hit me again. Please, just hit me again. Just hit me. Okay. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, did it? Back up. Please, just back up now. My truck is stuck in your truck. Okay. So, try going forward. Chat, the wheels are not moving right now. And let's reset. Oh my! Let's try again. Okay. How many checkpoints are there? There's gotta be like 2 and then you're done. Okay, if there's more than 3, it's not real. Oh my god. Okay, now let's try again. It's, beep. Beep. Thanks. I'm gonna try, just like, knocking him off. Yeah. That'll be fun, knocking him off. Bro. Bro. I spawned it and then it disappeared. Wow. Let's go. Alright. We all agree that's lag. I don't know, can we? I think we can. Hee hee. Oh my. Yes! Hee hee, I got this 1 point. Never mind. Oh. I got it first. Hee hee, now I got this 1 point. And now you're gone. Off the map. You gotta let him get ahead. Hee hee. Bam! Let's spawn a new one in a second. See? In a minute. Okay. Lock in, lock in. It's these turns, though. The turns are what's been getting me. And other people. What if I just... Bam. Just like... BAM! Oh no. Oh, come on! This is why you can't laugh at anyone. Oh, he gets stuck, but I get stuck. Wow. Just unfair. No. Oh my god, it happened again. I'm gonna spend 90 Robux to get to the same exact spot I was 5 to 7 seconds ago. It's almost like I reset. Okay. Alright. Okay. Take it over here. Now up here. Alright, alright. Chat, we're officially cooking. We're officially cooking. Right whenever I say that. What? I'm a restart. I just never get rid of the truck. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Or I'm not that mean. Where am I? I guess. Yo. Relax, me just went AFK. No way. Keep looking over there because he's still AFK. He might have been typing for somebody to move it. Or he was AFK. Okay. Let's just go to the top. Very good. Okay. This is the part that I always die at. Okay. No way, chat. No way. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Okay. 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 Let's go back. Stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Please. No. No way, bro. Bro. It's wild. Actually wild. Well, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm Alex, and I'm out. Bye-bye.